Hello, with this video I would like to show you the new motion functions for cams in Game4Automation. First of all, I'm going to show you the result. So I'm pushing here on play and you will see 4 axes, the Y and the X axis, including the gripper position, the opening and the closing and the rotation happening in the model. So we have got 4 drives, and all these drives are controlled by a so-called electronical cam. And a cam is basically a master axis which is running always from 0 to 720 degrees. You can define the degrees as you would like, and then it's starting again at 0. And this master axis is running always, and based on the position of the master axis, the positions of the slave axis are defined by so-called cams. So a cam is a function profile which is relating the position of the master axis in degrees. You see it here on the X axis to the position of the slave axis, and you see here the position of the X axis in relation to the master axis, and here we see the position of the Y axis and so on. And that's generating this smooth movement, and cam profiles are, for example, very often used in the industry sector of packaging machines. So you could define these kind of profiles with a profile editor, with a curve editor in Unity on your own, but usually you export it from another software which is specially used for defining these profiles, and basically it's just a text file. So here we have got a text file, and this text file is defining the master axis and the slave axis, and in each cam we import this text asset. So this at the end it's a CSV Excel file. We import this text axis and we define a master column and a slave column. And you can see, for example, for the gripper, we've got another slave column, still for sure the same master column, and that's importing the gripper profile. You can also import the cam manually with this button if you would like to. And basically that's all. So we are defining a kinematic, we are attaching drives, and we can use a cam to position a drive based on the master axis. Thanks a lot for your attention, and good luck with Game4Automation.